Google's development story is marked by innovation and growth. Since its founding in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Here are key milestones. 1. Founding and early days. 1998 to 2001. Search engine launch. Google began as a search engine using a unique algorithm called PageRank, which ranked pages based on the number and quality of links. Funding. Initial funding from angel investors helped Google gain traction. IPO. Google went public in 2004, raising $1.67 billion and solidifying its status in the tech world. 2. Expansion of services, 2000s. AdWords, launched in 2000. This advertising service became a major revenue source. Acquisitions. Key acquisitions included YouTube, 2006. Android, 2005. Diversifying its offerings. Gmail, introduced in 2004. It set new standards for email services with large storage and advanced features. 3. Innovation and new products, 2010s. Google Drive, launched in 2012. Providing cloud storage and collaboration tools. Google Maps, enhanced with features like Street View and navigation. Becoming essential for users. Artificial intelligence, investments in AI led to advancements in machine learning, particularly with Google Assistant and TensorFlow. 4. Corporate restructuring, 2015. Alphabet Incorporated formation, Google restructured into Alphabet Incorporated, a parent company for various ventures, allowing more focus on innovation across different sectors. 5. Current developments, 2020. AI and machine learning, continued focus on AI, with products like Google Cloud AI and advancements in natural language processing. Sustainability initiatives, commitment to sustainability, aiming for carbon-free energy by 2030. Hardware, expansion into hardware with products like Google Pixel phones and Nest smart home devices. 6. Challenges and controversies. Regulatory scrutiny. Increased scrutiny from governments worldwide regarding antitrust issues and privacy concerns. Workplace culture, issues related to employee treatment and diversity have led to public debates and protests. Conclusion. Google's development reflects its ability to innovate while navigating challenges. Its influence spans search, advertising, mobile, and cloud computing, shaping the digital landscape.